Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Coupon. In today's video, I'm bringing you the best of the best. Hostinger's 100% working coupon code along with a link to their sale page. But that's not all. I'll also share some pro tips to help you save even more money. As you can see, I'm currently on Hostinger's sale page, where an amazing discount is live right now. Don't worry, I'll provide you with a special link in the video description. By clicking on it, you'll be directed straight to Hostinger's current sale page. Keep in mind, this page might look slightly different depending on your country or the device you're using. So no need to worry if it doesn't look exactly the same. Once you're on the sale page, simply scroll down and choose a plan that suits you. For example, let's go with the premium plan. Click on Choose Plan, and you'll be redirected to the cart page. Now, here's a quick tip. The massive discount you see on the sale page is a one-time offer. To make the most of it, I recommend going for the 48-month plan. Why? Because if you choose a shorter duration, like 12 months, when it's time to renew, you'll have to pay the full price, equivalent to what you're paying for 48 months during the sale. So, it's better to invest a little extra now and lock in your savings for the next 4 years. Once you've selected your plan, you'll see a field to enter the coupon code. Simply use the coupon code HOSTNGPROMO to get even more savings. Don't forget, I've included this coupon code in the video description for easy access. After applying the coupon, you'll see the price drop, giving you the best deal possible. All plans will now be available at a much lower price than their regular rates. Currently, Hostinger is even offering up to 2 months free on selected plans, so make sure to take advantage of this limited time offer. Click the link in the description. Choose your plan, apply the coupon code, and enjoy big savings. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Mr. Coupon for more amazing deals and discounts. Take care of yourselves and happy saving.